Do you copy? I see the thief. I follow him.
Oh, yeah!
Hey, stop!
Oh?
Max, can I play policeman with you? I even have a uniform.
To have a uniform, it's not enough. To play the policeman, you need to have a cool car. That's why you are not playing.
Oh no!
Huh. It's inappropriate. I need to help Sofia. Police officer is a very important profession. I've heard that you want to become a police officer, but you don't have a car.
Yes.
Now you've got one. But you need to assemble it.
Wow, what a box! Wow, but to assemble this car is too difficult for me.
Don't worry, Sofia. I will help you with that. So let's begin.
Yay!
Could you pass me nut and wrench, please?
Now I will try. It turns out cool.
Yay!
I got it. Let's install the engine.
Exactly.
Wow.
Yay!
The wheels are attached.
Now we're gonna install a wheel and the seat.
Oh, yeah! Yay!
Cool. And now we'll stick the police stickers. Police car is ready.
No. We're still missing one part. A police siren.
Yay!
Look, Sofia.
Wow.
Yay!
Now the police car is ready.
I'm ready. Let's go.
Wow, what a cool police car.
Max, let's play together.
Yeah, let's go.
Are you ready to engage in the operation?
Yes, ready.
Always ready.
Let's go!
Yay!
Hey, wait for me!
It is a bulldozer.
This is a crane.
It's a wheel bulldozer.
And this one is a crawler bulldozer.
I want to be a driver of a construction truck so much.
Yes, and I'd like to visit the construction site. I know the place. Let's go, Max. There are so many construction trucks there. Wow!
Wow!
We are in the cabin of a real wheel bulldozer.
Bulldozer broke down?
Max, you fix the engine and I'll check the wheels. Oh!
Wow, it's so cool!
Cool.
Max, let's roll the wheels to each other.
All right.
Whew. Max, I know. We have to check the oil in the engine.
Okay.
We are to wear a safety helmet on the construction site.
Sophie, it was such a great
I
day.
enjoyed that experience too. The profession of a builder is very important. And what do you want to be in the future?
What a nice bicycle.
Run! What?
My bike! I need to call the police.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hello, police! My bike has been stolen.
I got you. I'm coming.
Run!
I'm rushing to the call. Those who are on the bike, freeze!
What?
Police!
I see the criminal, and I need a backup. 315, do you copy? 315, do you copy?
315, copy that.
Get ready, the criminal is approaching you.
Roger that. Oh, I see him. You're on the bicycle. Stop the vehicle. Stop! 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 Oh, oh.
You're under arrest.
Okay.
The thief is in custody.
Oh no! Hey!
Thank you, we're a great team. Now I need to get the bicycle back to the owner.
Thank you very much that you bring my bike back.
You're welcome. It's my job to help people. And you will remain in a cell.
What? Oh no!
Ice cream, the most tasty ice cream.
Ice cream!
Very tasty. What a beautiful car!
No.
Oops, sorry. Hello,
Hello?
ice cream.
No.
Bye bye.
One, three, wave, 17.
Oh, so many shops.
No.
Tree, 20 wave.
No.
21, 3 wave, 172. No water warrant.
Shops are for the next time. I have violated the traffic rules. Ice cream! Ice cream! Ice cream! Stop!
No.
There are people on a crosswalk. No. I cannot. I am working.
Good morning, Max. Do you want to become a policeman, Max?
Yes, very much.
Then I have a present for you.
Whoa! Wow! And what is in these boxes?
This is a surprise. When you put it all together, you'll understand. And I'm going back to work.
Thank you, officer.
You're welcome. See you later.
Sofia! Sofia! Can you help me with these boxes, please?
Of course, Max.
Wow! It's a police truck!
Cool. And what is in those boxes? It's a police trailer.
Yes! And these are Lego blocks.
I know. We will assemble police Lego truck.
Yeah!
assemble the vehicle, we need tools.
First, we install wheels.
Now we install the seat
And the steering wheel. Everything is connected. Install rear view mirrors.
and I install a back body wall.
Cool.
Ooh, we've assembled the truck.
And now let's assemble the trailer.
Let's put the stickers on. Max, what a police truck without a siren.
Yeah, right, Sofia. I want to be a police officer. Wow. My duty is calling.
Well, you've made a nice car. Congratulations.
Yes, thank you, officer.
I want to present you with a deputy sheriff badge.
Wow. Wee-oo, wee-oo. Wee-oo, wee-oo. Fire, fire!
Max, why do you scream?
I want to be a firefighter. I practice to put out the fire.
Okay. Cool.
And now let's go to a call. I see the fire. I don't want to be a firefighter.
Max, firefighters, it's dangerous but very important job. Firefighters help to handle with a fire. They put out fires, rescue people from burning buildings. They help people who got into airplane and automobile crashes. Max, they even rescue cats from trees. I know! I will be a policewoman!
Oh yeah! All money will be mine.
Robber!
Police!
Stop! Stop the car!
Oh no!
Aha! Gotcha! The robber is caught! I'm tired. I won't be a policewoman. The profession of a policeman carries lots of hardship and danger. But people cannot do without it.
Yes, Sophia, indeed. I understand, Sophia. Each profession is very important.